If you're a beginner content creator trying to make your video look more cinematic, but your budget says, bro, we broke, this is video for you. You know that moment when you are editing and you think, man, this part kinda sucks and it's boring. Yeah, we all been there. You know Kill Bill from Tarantino? How much did he spend on that animated sequence? I know it's kind of my favorite, but insider in film production estimate that sequence likely cost between $1 million to $2 million for that animated segment because it was custom hand-drawn, cinematic animate with full choreography, glide effects, and original scoring. But what if I told you that there's a way to make your video look way more professional without hiring anyone, without learning how to animate it at all? Because up until recently, adding animated B-roll used to take weeks, cost thousands, for Tarantino's sake, millions. You had to hire an animator, send revision, wait, and pay again. You know the drill, but today I'm gonna show you how to create stunning AI-powered animated B-roll for YouTube videos or any content, all from your laptop, and then no animation skills required, and literally in less than it takes to make a coffee. And crazy part, once you learn this, you will never look at boring talking head videos the same way again. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's break it down step by step, especially if you are new to content creation or YouTube or video editing. There's 3 things you need to know. First, what AI app I use to create animated B-roll. 2, how much does it cost? And 3, how to actually use it to upgrade your quality instantly. So before jumping into how to use animated B-roll, well, let's talk about the tool. I use Flow by Google because the difference between the messy animation and the sharp one often comes down which app you pick. Here's why perfect for beginner YouTubers. First, Flow turns a simple text prompt into a fully animated clip. You just describe the scene, motion, setting, style, and then Flow handles the heavy lifting. No keyframing, no software. Second, that look is cinematic. I think it's best. Flow runs a Google's top tier models, BO3. So the visuals look way more than polished than your average animated slide B-roll. But that means your talking head video instantly feels next level. Third, flexible. You can go to text video, image to video, or mix in your own keyframes, lighting, and the camera moves. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how much? Because I mentioned BO3, that's a heavy-duty model behind the Flow. I'm gonna save you some money, okay? If you go to straight for full BO3 access, you're looking around $249 a month on Google AI Ultra plan for business. You get 25,000 credit per month. That's a lot if you're just starting out. Save some money. Flow gives you access to many of the same features: text to video, image to video, scene builder, and 1,000 credits per month with Google O Pro. For $19.99 a month, you can get that first month free. And then with either plan, you can top up your credit if you run out. So for most people, Google AI Pro, you still get cinematic result that instantly up your production value for a fraction of the cost. $1 million versus $19.99. You know what I mean? The option to purchase more credit if need to. Don't overspend, bro. Use Flow for what you need, animate B-roll, and show clips. And keep your budget focused on your content. So how to use it? Let me show you how I actually use Flow. It's a super simple. For tutorial purpose, here's me telling part of a fake story. So we ended up in 24 Hours Cafe in Tokyo, and I was so tired. We ordered coffee and just sat down. So then I don't have any footage to complement this story I'm telling, but I want in my video and I want to make it more visually interesting. So I open Flow, labs.google/flow. Click create with Flow and then create a new project. But type in what kind of animation I want, nothing fancy, just like this. Okay, hit generate. we'll just wait, okay? Okay, I guess seems like it's done. Well, obviously it didn't work. You know, flow is not flowing right now, but this is actually key lesson. AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. Most people trying an app once get a weird result and say AI doesn't work, but sometimes it's not AI, it's a user error, or in my case, broken English error. So here's my fix. And this is where ChatGPT comes in. So go to ChatGPT and then say, I copy my messy prompt, copy and paste. Okay, can you rewrite this into a detailed prompt for Flow AI to make a cinematic animation? Okay. ChatGPT comes back with something like this. I copy and paste. I hit generate again. Okay, way better. Sometimes you just don't get a good generation. You can keep trying with many credits as you have, but usually a good prompt will give you something good to work with. So make sure you're inserting descriptive, detailed prompts. Let ChatGPT handle that English homework, and then you handle creativity. Remember, just because ChatGPT didn't give you exactly what you wanted, you can ask again. Okay, so you can repeat this for each shot in your story and what you want for your B-roll. So we ended up in 24 Hours Cafe in Tokyo, and I was so tired. We ordered coffee and just sat down. But anyways, that's how I use Flow to make animated B-roll that looks like mini movies. Fast, cheap, and fun. If you like this video and learned something new about using AI to level up your content or YouTube videos, hit the like button and subscribe. And then turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I post videos about self-development, fitness, creative growth, building your business and a brand as a creator. So if that's your vibe, welcome to my channel. And hey, if you want to take your video even farther, go check out how you can make a drone shots with a drone using Google Studio. Click here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't be a half-stepper and always be frank. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.